Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to explore the complete Agentic AI learning roadmap for 2026. This roadmap will take you through every concept you need to understand to become an Agentic AI engineer. We will follow the exact structure step by step, starting from what Agentic AI is, then moving into core concepts, frameworks, design patterns, development stacks, evaluation, security, and learning resources. Let's begin. Agentic AI represents a new generation of AI systems. It goes beyond simple text generation. An agent can make autonomous decisions, reason through complex steps, take actions, use tools, interact with environments, and work toward outcomes with minimal human involvement. The first thing you learn is autonomous decision making. This means the agent chooses what to do next without waiting for explicit instructions. Then you learn about reasoning and acting, where the agent thinks internally and then performs an action such as running code or calling an API. Agents also rely on tool usage. Tools include code interpreters, browsers, file systems, and APIs that extend the agent's capabilities. Environment interaction allows the agent to respond to changes in data or the outside world, and outcome-driven systems ensure that the agent stays focused on the final goal instead of just generating text. Next, we explore the core concepts of agentic systems. This begins with the reasoning loops. React is a loop where the agent reasons, takes an action, reasons again, and continues until the task is complete. Chain of thought allows the model to think step by step. Tree of thought expands the reasoning process by exploring multiple idea branches in parallel. Reflection allows an agent to analyze mistakes and improve decisions. Planning is the next major component. Agents must perform task decomposition, meaning they break a large task into smaller manageable steps. Multi-step planning ensures the agent sequences those steps in a meaningful order, much like a workflow. Memory systems are essential. Short-term memory holds the immediate working information during the task. Long-term memory stores persistent knowledge that the agent can retrieve later. Vector memory uses embeddings to store information in a semantic format so the agent can retrieve related knowledge even if the wording is different. Episodic memory stores past interactions and experiences so the agent becomes more consistent over time. Autonomy controls keep the agent safe. Human in the loop means there is human supervision or approval at critical steps. Guardrails define rules that prevent harmful actions. Safety layers filter inputs, outputs, and tool actions so the agent remains secure and aligned. Now let's move to Agentic AI frameworks. LangGraph lets you create structured, stateful agent workflows and is currently the most important tool in the field. CrewAI focuses on multi-agent collaboration. OpenAI agents provide built-in tool use and safe execution. Anthropic MCP offers modular tool connections and secure boundaries. AutoGen enables conversational agent cooperation. Haystack agents specialize in retrieval-based tasks. Vertex AI agents bring enterprise orchestration on Google Cloud. Each framework has strengths, and learning 2 or 3 gives you strong practical experience. Next is the Agentic AI development stack. At the top sits the LLM layer, which includes the reasoning models such as GPT, Claude, Gemini, and LLMA. Below that is the tooling layer, which enables actions such as code execution, browsing, file operations, and calling APIs. Then comes the orchestration layer, which handles planning, routing decisions, and managing the agent's state over time. After that is the execution layer, which performs actions using Python tools, asynchronous tasks, and event-driven functions. Finally, the knowledge layer enables memory systems through retrieval, augmented generation, caching, and vector databases. These layers together create a complete production-ready agent system. Now let's cover agent design patterns. React agents combine reasoning and tool use as a loop. Planner-executor agents split responsibilities, so one agent creates the plan and another executes it. Code-act agents write and run code to solve tasks. Tool-using agents rely heavily on external tools to complete tasks. Self-reflective agents pause to evaluate their own decisions and correct mistakes. Multi-agent systems involve several agents collaborating, Social agents interact with other agents and negotiate solutions. Environment-aware agents adapt based on external data or context. These patterns help you structure the behavior of your agent systems. Now let's look at how to build Agentic AI step by step. First, define the goal clearly. Then perform task planning by breaking the goal into smaller actions. Next, choose the tools and APIs the agent will use. Then configure memory systems to store important information. Set up the reasoning loop such as react or reflection. Decide the autonomy level and how much freedom the agent has. Implement safety guardrails to prevent misuse. If needed, design multi-agent coordination so several agents work together. Deploy the agent and monitor real-world behavior. Finally, evaluate results and continue improving the system. This is the complete life cycle. Now we move into multi-agent systems. Here the focus is on collaboration where agents help each other solve tasks. Competition models allow agents to challenge one another to improve outcomes. Hierarchical agents introduce a structure where supervisor agents guide worker agents. Parallel agents divide large workloads so tasks complete faster. Supervisor agents monitor consistency, quality, and safety. Multi-agent systems are powerful for complex long-running tasks. Next, we evaluate agentic systems. We measure task success rate to see if the agent completes objectives. Behavior consistency ensures the agent behaves predictably. Safety violations detect harmful or unwanted behavior. Tool failure rate checks whether external tools are succeeding. Memory effectiveness measures how well the agent recalls important information. Hallucination rate shows how often incorrect data appears. Latency tracks speed and responsiveness. Cost measures computational efficiency. Robustness testing ensures the agent performs well under difficult conditions. Next is security and governance. Access control ensures only authorized tools and environments are available. API rate limits prevent excessive or harmful usage. Prompt injection protection safeguards the agent from manipulated inputs. Audit logs track every action the agent takes. Policy enforcement ensures the agent follows rules and guidelines. This is crucial for safe deployment. Finally, we come to learning resources. OpenAI documentation is essential for understanding models and tools. Anthropic documentation provides deep insights into safe agent design. LangGraph documentation teaches you how to build structured agent workflows. Crew AI examples help you learn multi-agent patterns. Kaggle provides datasets for experimentation. Research papers offer cutting-edge knowledge. And agent case studies show real-world applications. Following these resources will keep you at the forefront of Agentic AI engineering. That completes the Agentic AI learning roadmap for 2026. If you follow these steps from top to bottom, you will be fully prepared to build autonomous agents, multi-agent systems, reasoning loops, planning systems, memory layers, secure deployments, and production-ready AI applications.